plowing the roads. Look at her sparks.
North for 25 miles.
Florida crackers up here in Colorado. Snow. Bye bye. You hate this, don't you? Just having a heart attack. I've never driven in snow before, but I know to go slow and to be cautious. But I was a little scared 5 minutes ago when this shit started coming like a tunnel, because definitely interesting. But let me get off here. Just want to show you some snow. I'll be back. Everybody, look at it. It's freaking snowing. Wow. Look at the roads. My gloves. Happy kid. What? Snow, baby. Last video of the snow. Look at this. It's beautiful out here. One last time for keepsakes of us playing in the snow. It's 19 degrees here in Denver, Colorado. You guys have a good one. Take care. God bless. Say goodbye, baby. Haha. Denver neighborhood. You guys have a great one.